Hey guys, Nicole Roberts here with the Creative Catalyst. Guess what just came in the mail? This fragile box from Society6. I know what's in it and I can't wait to see it, but I wanted to include you guys in my unboxing today. So, any guesses? What do you think? Any guesses on what's in there? No? Okay, well, we're about to find out. I feel like today is an incredibly appropriate day for this specific product because of the design that's on it. All right. Slowly take that out. There's a flyer for my next order. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's a mug. So it's in there pretty sturdy to keep it protected. It's got styrofoam in there to hold it into place. It's not moving around much. They do a pretty good job. I have ordered mugs from other places in the past and they've ended up broken, which is a super bummer. So who's ready to see it? See which design I picked. If I can get it out. All right. There it is. The Love design. It's got a little styrofoam on it, so I need to wipe that off. But I think it turned out perfect. This is the 15-ounce size. I love the beveled edge on the bottom. Something I learned in high school from my ceramics teacher, that when you add a bevel, it lifts it up. It's just like when women wear high heels. It just pops you up just enough and it makes everything look a little more lovely and aesthetically pleasing. So I love the bevel. I love the 15-ounce size. I love this particular design, L-O-V-E, love, with rainbow hands. Pretty awesome, guys. Thanks for watching my unboxing. You can purchase your mug at society6.com/the Creative Catalyst Project, and I will include links to make life a little easier for you. Make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube, following us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. And if you want more information about the Creative Catalyst, you can find us at thecreativecatalyst.art. Thanks, guys, and get you an awesome mug to drink your favorite bevy out of. Have a good day.